Hey guys, this is Andrea Dillon. I am reporting or streaming or whatever from my home today. As you can see in the background, my little cubby hole. I'm still not professional yet, but I did get power today. Well, I got power yesterday, but I didn't get air. And I just got air. And I'm working off of a hotspot because I don't have internet. So I hope this comes through okay. And today's not the day, but one day I'll be professional again. So I wanted to share very quickly as more detail is going to come out. And there's not a ton out right now, but I want to push this out to you guys. I've been trying. We have been so blessed at my office to be able to reopen with power and with internet. So I've been trying really hard as I learn stuff to share it with you guys and to share it with the Facebook world so that you guys can move forward and either work with your current CPAs or call us for help or whatever it is that, however we can help you. So the SBA has come out, and I'm reading it on my other screen as I go through this with you, with 3 different loans that are available, I believe now, to assist if you are in one of the counties that was hurt by Hurricane Ian. My offices are in Collier County and Lee County, which are both on the list. So, I mean, I don't even have to check. They are there. I did check, but I don't have to. So if you're in another county, you're going to have to check and make sure that your county is included in it. But if you are in Lee County or Collier County, you are. So the first one is a home disaster loan. This is a loan that's to both homeowners or renters. So you don't have to be the owner for this, to repair or replace, to do your stuff around the house, right? So insurance, we all know, is going to take some time to come in. There's houses that aren't livable while we're waiting on insurance. What are you supposed to do? So this is a loan to assist with stuff around your home that needs to be done now. So your vehicle also counts for this. So if your vehicle was damaged by something and you're waiting on that all to go through, this will count. Now, keep in mind, if you're going to get insurance money for it, this isn't going to help that part. So like if your vehicle has full coverage, there's no deductible or whatever, maybe $1,000 deductible, and you're just waiting on that to go through, you can't go take it to the mechanic, use this loan for, I don't know, $5,000 in repairs because it's going to be covered by insurance. Same thing with your home, but it can certainly help with your deductible for your insurance or things that are not covered by insurance. So if you're in like pool cages are a great example. You have to have extra coverage to have your pool cages included in your insurance, and not everybody pays for that extra coverage, but probably everybody with a pool cage has some kind of pool cage damage. So and it's not going to get fixed right away because my husband used to own a screen company and I know how backed up they are. So this would help with things like that. The next loan I'm going to talk about is also through the SBA, and it's a business physical disaster loan. So this loan, the first one was for your home and your vehicle. RVs don't count. Campers don't count. Boats don't count. None of that stuff counts. It is literally just where you live, your primary home, and your vehicle that you use in your personal name in your everyday life. Now, shifting over to the business physical disaster loan. This loan, as it would logically make sense, is in your business. So if you had a business facility that got damaged, again, out here in the Cape, water was everywhere. So if water came in, if water didn't come in, but a tree came down and busted a window out and a bunch of stuff is damaged, you've got computers damaged, you've got keyboards, all kinds of technology, or maybe you're a retail shop, your inventory was damaged. If you're construction and you've got supplies there and your supplies was damaged. So any business damages, I shouldn't say any, as long as they meet the to come out qualifications that are not there yet, but any business damages, loosely speaking, again, not covered by insurance, this loan is available to help with. So again, if you have really strong insurance and you're expecting it all to be covered, this isn't going to be a loan for you. However, if it's something that's not covered by insurance because it's like, you know, the computers in a brokerage office or something like that, where you know it's going to be out of pocket, this would be a great loan for you to start working on to try to get some of those things replaced where it's not out of pocket for you. The third one with the SBA is the acronym that we all know and we all thought was gone, and it's back, is the EIDL, the Economic Injury Disaster Loan. So this is the one that came out during COVID. and they stopped it. Like it ran out of money. They stopped taking applications, whatever. Like it's been done for not too long, but it's been done for a little while. It's now resurrected. So this is working capital loans. So this is not specific to damage. The other two, the business physical disaster loan and the home disaster loan, those you have to have damages. You can't just apply for a home disaster loan because you had to use all your savings up to evacuate and you want to put some money in the bank. That's not going to work. But the EIDL loan for your business, again, not a personal loan, a business loan, this is intended for working capital. And it's not yet clear if you've already got one, how that's going to affect. A lot of businesses have one from COVID, so I'm not sure if you're going to be able to request increases to it. Like none of that is out yet. I'll update you as I know, as it comes out. But I do know it's resurrected. Really, really important on these two. For the physical damage loans. So again, those are the loans that are for your business that had some kind of damage, or for your home or vehicle that had some kind of damage. The deadline to apply for these, as of now, is November 28th. It's October 5th right now. So that is just shy of 2 months. So call it 7 weeks to apply. The EIDL that has been reopened, or I don't know for sure that it is reopening. I'm not sure on the SBA website if it's officially open yet, but it will be coming if it's not. That one you have quite a while to apply for. That one you have until June 29th of 2023. So that is 8 months, 9 months. I don't know. Some of my head hurts, somewhere in that range. So, but the physical disaster loans, that the business one and the home one, those have a very short window unless it gets extended. So as of today, October 5th of 2022, that deadline is November 28th, 2022. Now, the interest rates on these seem to be floating, as do the term length. So it's going to depend on some different things. It's going to depend on if you have a history with the SBA and what your credit looks like, if you're able to get loans other places, or if you're kind of restricted to the SBA. So there's a lot of different things that seem to be going into it. So it's floating. So what I can tell you is that the loan terms are anywhere from 7 years to 30 years. So I know that's a really big gap. And the interest rate appears to be anywhere from about 1.875% up to 6%, depending on what you're doing. All of this is subject to change. So we saw that a lot with the COVID stuff. I wasn't doing them, but my office would record it one day and then 3 days later they would change it. So I want to stress that this is October 5th and there's minimal information available. This is what is available now. The other thing I want to bring up is the Florida Bridge loan. So this was also available during COVID, but I don't think we had any clients that actually got it. I don't know why. I don't know the parameters. I don't remember why, but it is open again. This is a short-term loan. It is a maximum term of 1 year. It is literally meant to bridge the gap. So it's supposed to give you 1 year, excuse me, to either get your cash back in order and pay it off, or to refinance it either with the SBA or with any other lender, but to refinance it and pay it off. So it is a short-term loan. It is a 1 year loan. Now, these are available up to 50 grand per applicant. And these are nice because I believe they are 0 interest percentage. Hang on, I'm reading through it as I speak with you guys. You have to have 2 employees to 100 employees. That is important. We have a lot of businesses here in Southwest Florida where there's either no employees or maybe there's only like an owner employee. So if you're it and you're the only one on payroll, you're not going to count. But if you have 2 to 100 employees, you're probably going to qualify. Maximum, like I said, is up to 50 grand. The term is 1 year. And it is not saying, so I don't want to say that too strongly, but I believe there's 0% interest. And I also think they may be no payments during that year, but don't quote me on those two because I'm going off my memory from last time and those are not currently on the page. Hang on. Short-term, zero interest working capital loans. So we're good. Zero interest for sure. No interest loans. I don't know about payments. So we'll all learn that together, I guess. But all of these loans, anybody who went through, if you're a business owner, I'm sure you got one of the loans or the PPP or something from the past. So this is not for sure, but I'm going to go ahead and say all of these loans are going to require tax returns, accounting. You have to be current in things, current extensions, current filings of business and personal tax returns. And if you're a business and you're applying, I'm confident they're going to ask for year-to-date financials to support losses and things like that. So if you need help on any of that, please let us know. We want to help you. We are open. I'm already working on a plan to get somebody dedicated to helping with these loans because we know that our businesses here and our people here for the home loan through the personal one, the home and vehicle loan through the SBA, our people here are going to need the help. So we want to be available to help you. So please reach out to us. Again, you can reach out to us through Facebook. You can reach out to me through Facebook, Andrea Dillon. You can call us 239-936-6144. Our office is almost full staffed. We just have one person that's still not back yet. Everybody else is in the office and working. We may be working limited hours because most people don't have power yet, so they're trying to work daylight. But we are there. We're working. And also, you can email me, Andrea, like my name is spelled on the screen, ANDREA @cpaoflorida.com. Conversely, reach out to your CPA and your accountant. So if I'm telling you this and they're not able to look this up yet because they don't have power yet, I'm sure they will soon. And they're already going to have your records and whatnot. So they may be the best one to help you if they're going to open soon. I wouldn't wait too long. But my understanding is Fort Myers and Cape Coral are, and I guess I can say Naples too, are supposed to, by the end of the week, all have power back. Fingers crossed. So, but if for whatever reason you need our help and your CPA or your accountant is either not reopening or is not answering yet and you don't want to wait, by all means, you can reach out to us. But our current clients, we of course have these records for you, or we probably have access to how to get it done fast. So please, 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 if you think that you're going to need some of this funding, don't wait. We had a lot of people wait for COVID and it created really long wait times, really long lines, and there were people who ended up not getting funded. So I wish I could tell you what it's going to look like for terms of what the application is going to look like. I can tell you what I think, but what the application is going to look like, what the wait time, how long we think until it's going to get funded, I don't know any of that until we start doing them. But I know that filing it sooner rather than later is going to be your best bet. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. My office is here and we are happy to help. And I hope that I really, I pray and I hope that you are finally starting to get power back and get water back and get some semblance of life back, and that your work is resuming, your business or your employer is able to resume so that you can start moving forward and making the necessary steps to rebuild. So thank you so much for listening in. And like I said, we are here to help you.